Good morning, students. I am Ashutosh Ranjan, Science teacher of Modern English School, Bihar City branch. Today I will teach your chapter Fun with Magnets. In this chapter, today I will deal with topic properties of a magnet. In my previous videos lectures, I have discussed about different points related to magnet, poles of magnet, discovery of magnet and types of materials on the basis of effect of magnet. Properties of magnet. Magnets have property to attract any magnetic material. Magnetic material means materials, substances made up of iron, nickel and cobalt. So any magnet attract materials which are made of iron, nickel and cobalt. These are magnetic material and each magnet attract it. Previously, I have also discussed about poles of magnet. There are two poles of magnet, north pole, south pole. North pole is north direction and south pole is south direction. It aligns in this direction when we suspended it freely with a thread. Another property of poles of magnet that when we put near two magnets with their opposite poles, they attract each other. Means opposite poles of a magnet or more opposite poles of two magnets attract each other. If we have two magnets and when we put north pole and another south pole, then both will attracted by each other. Means opposite poles of magnet attract each other, but whereas similar poles of magnets repel each other. When two magnets come near with their similar pole, they will repel each other. Magnets have maximum attraction power on their poles. These are some special features, some special properties of a magnet. Magnets have also a property that is called as directional property, for which property magnets are used to find out direction. Magnets are used to making compass for choosing directional, find out direction. This is the experiment that when we suspend any bar magnet freely in air, it aligns in north-south direction always. So by this activity we can say that north pole of a magnet align always in north direction and south pole of a magnet align always in south direction. So these are directional property and some special property of a magnet. Magnet create magnetic field around it. It depends upon capacity and size of magnet. If magnet have more magnetic property, if magnet size is more large, magnet is large, then it will create large area of magnetic field. Means if any magnet is large, then it will attract any magnetic material from far. So magnetic field created by any magnet depends upon the magnetic property of a magnet or size of magnet. So this is the property, these are some properties of magnet. Magnet's properties are also that when we cut any magnet into or more pieces, all pieces will consist two poles in all conditions, and they will contain always north pole and south pole. Never a magnet can be available with only single pole. Always any magnet will have two poles, north pole and south pole. So for today that's all. Thank you. Have a nice